a late start, y'all, because I don't know if I told y'all, but I'm feeling under the weather, and I'm just trying to get through. Like, a couple nights I forgot to turn the heat down, and it was super hot at night, and like it kind of made my throat like dry, so just kind of messed me up a little bit. But I'm all right, I'm getting through. But yeah, I had to take a little nap. I don't know, I was just tired. And I'm hoping that a lot of the stores have holiday hours still. That would be nice. You guys, when I get back to the house, I'm gonna show you, but I'm going with a more cream color theme for my tree. I just want it to be a little warmer in my living room, so that's the kind of look I'm going for. I pulled out my old Christmas tree decorations, and I probably should have turned right there, but yeah, I pulled out my old decorations, and I had a lot of green and red. Okay, so I was really traditional, but you know, I'm trying to get my little design game up. So I'm gonna go with a different look this year, a little more warmer colors, and that's what I want to do this year. So I'm gonna change things a little bit. Tonight, I'm high as a satellite. Every night I put on. All right, so y'all didn't tell me that Hobby Lobby was closed on Sundays. I had no idea. So, you know, I don't shop there, so I don't know. But I had to come to Target. As you can see, it's red as hell in here. You know, it's Target. So I'm gonna just probably have to deal with Target, and maybe I can go to Hobby Lobby tomorrow and get like a couple other things. But yeah, that's what it is. So I'm at the Target that I don't really care for that much because it's always super crowded. The Target by my house is never like this, but I was going to Hobby Lobby, so here I am. So I'm gonna just deal with this Target for now. That was so cute. Little trees. Look at this purse. Isn't that cute? Y'all, I'm off track. Okay, I'm in the Christmas area. Making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things, got everything I'm asking for but you. You guys, I'm getting in the spirit being in here. I'm finding some things that are actually cute finally, and the color seems to be on theme too. So look at this, isn't that cute? Come on, that's adorable. So yeah, the little animals are getting me every time. And then look at this. Okay, that's on theme. Oh, look, y'all. Look at those little letters. Those are cute too, but they're kind of pricey. These are like $3 a piece, so you know that can add up. Keep getting a bunch of these little things. That's cute. I like that one. I don't know what that is. Chicken? Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep and we should I'm sorry the vlog is all over the place, but it is now New Year's Eve. Christmas has passed. We had a great Christmas. I usually go out for New Year's. Like the last couple years I didn't went out. But this year, the weather's been crazy. And you know I was sick. Last I told you I was sick. So I'm finally a lot better, a lot better. We've had like super cold days. And this year I just decided like I want to just stay home this New Year's Eve or this New Year's. So I decided I'm gonna just stay home, and that's what I'm doing. So I put on my little outfit. But yeah, I just got on my little, what you call this? Corset top with my blazer, and I got my little pleather pants on. Yes, if you can see them. Okay. Yeah, so, oh, and I got my little hat. Okay, you see me? Yeah, so I got on my little hat. But today tonight, I wanted to make a drink. Now, I haven't been drinking like that. Now, I don't know if you guys heard of the whipped shots. Cardi B whipped shots. I got mocha, vanilla, and caramel. The only one I didn't get was peppermint, which I'm a little upset about because the drink that I seen Cardi B make for Offset had peppermint topping on it, but I couldn't get my hands on that. But you know what? Innovations, because I got vanilla and then I got peppermint candy. So I thought maybe I could put that on top. So then she made the drink with Bailey's. I think I only had Bailey's one time and it's been a while, so I'm excited about trying that again. And then she made his drink with one of those really expensive cocoa brands, but I got Starbucks, so it should be good. Yeah, so that's what's going on, y'all. I want to try these whipped shots as well, so I'm hoping that they're good, and I'm gonna tell you guys which one is the best if you haven't tried them. Okay, all right, y'all. So I'm gonna start with milk. I watched the Cardi B video, and this is what she did. She made Offset a drink. So this is the milk that she bought. So I wanted to get the same milk that she got. I never tried this milk, so I said, well, let me try it out. It is Fairlife reduced fat ultra filtered milk. Oh, this is lactose free. I did not know that. All right, now you guys, I did not realize how close to the ball dropping it is. So I have like a half an hour, so I need to really get a move on. And this is that Starbucks that I was saying. So she had a different one. I'm making a mess. I'm gonna just put that in the sink. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna pour a little cocoa in here. I don't know how much you're supposed to use, but I'm gonna mix that up. I'm sure you wanted a little chocolatey though. I've been trying to be on a little diet, y'all. So I said for the holiday, I'm going, just for today, I'm gonna eat a little more. I've been trying not to eat so much. You know, during the holiday, you start getting fat. I'm sorry, it's all loud. But yeah, I'm trying to mix that up. It's a little harder to mix than I thought. Put in my microwave. I don't know what the microwave is gonna look like. Here's you having stuff exploding in there. All right, I'm gonna put it on. I think 30, maybe 40 for now. But she just got it like a little warm. Maybe I'll do another 10. Alrighty, and then I'm going to add the Baileys. I'm shake that up just a little. All right, hopefully I don't have to do too much to open this. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna pour. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm about to get drunk, y'all. I'm about to be drunk. Okay. All right, I poured a good amount, I think. All right. Now, time for the whip shots. I'm excited. Let me taste that. I'm gonna taste it with my spoon. Oh my God. Yo, that is really good. I'm gonna put this in just a couple more, like another 10 or 20. Okay, so I put it in another 20 seconds, y'all. It tastes really good. It really does. But now, it's time for the fun part. I get to try the whip shots. Okay, so this is the flavors I have. Like I said, I got the mocha. I got the vanilla. And I got the caramel or caramel. I say caramel, caramel. Oh, do not refrigerate these, guys. Do not refrigerate. Isn't that crazy? I thought they would go in the refrigerator, but they don't. You don't put them in the refrigerator. Okay, I'm coming. Hold on. Oh, vodka infused, so you know. Vodka infused, y'all. All right, let me get my drink out. Basically, a little more heat to it, you know? But doesn't it look good? Y'all must admit, this looks good. It smells like warm hot chocolate. Ooh, with a little bit of liqueur. Okay, okay, let me tell you, in the video, Cardi B put the peppermint flavor, but I didn't get the peppermint, so I'm so upset about that. I wanted to try the peppermint, but maybe I'll try it another time. So today, I think I'm going to try the vanilla. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, that's all. Turn upside down. All right, make sure you guys get it going because I tried to spray it in there and it made a mess. All right, I'm gonna edit that out. All right, anyways. Ooh. Oh, it ain't spraying like I thought it would. Dang. I don't know why it's not. I don't know, but guess what? I don't care. I don't care. That's enough. All right, that's enough. That's all I need. And then I'm going to put a little peppermint on this. Just a little bit. Maybe I can just like, you know, shaving. All right, it's getting a little messy, but sometimes it gets a little messy in the kitchen, okay? All right, there it is. Doesn't it look cute? Okay, guys, it looks cute to me. All right, so there it is. That is the holiday drink that I seen her make, but I had to put a little twist on it because I didn't have the peppermint ones. So there it is, and I can't wait to try it. Okay, so there it is. The vanilla one is really good. But I'm gonna try the caramel. Hopefully this thing act right. Uh-oh, there you go. Oh my God. Y'all, the caramel is good too. All right, I'm not a big chocolate or mocha person, but I'm still gonna try it. Oh, that one good too. All right, I'm gonna give it to the vanilla and the caramel as the best ones. And I'm about to finish my drink. The ball about to drop in like 10 minutes. This is good, y'all. I just got a little candy cane, peppermint, whatever you call it. I'm telling you, that was a great drink. Now this nozzle started acting up. So I don't know, I have to mess with that later. I'm gonna put a little caramel in it now. Now the Baileys and the whipped cream got alcohol, that's too much. All right, y'all, so the ball's gonna drop in 10 minutes, so I'm about to take it to the living room with my drink. Little New Year's Eve hat. Okay. But yeah, so the caramel is really good. The mocha's even good. I'm not a big chocolate person, but the mocha's pretty good too. And the vanilla is really good as well. I'm gonna try that peppermint as soon as I can get my hands on it. But yes, this drink, I just happened to run across Cardi B making this on like a shorts on YouTube and for Offset. And I was like, let me try that, shoot. I've been wanting to try them whip shots anyway from her. But this is really good and I'm glad I tried it, okay? Because I didn't think I would really like Bailey's that much. I remember trying it a while ago, but it's really good.
But I think the ball is gonna drop soon. My kids are upstairs, they're playing the game. They left me all alone for New Year's, but whatever. But yeah, the ball will be dropping soon. Over. Where do you put your hat on? I didn't want to mess up my hair too bad. All right, put that on. Come on down. All right, we're gonna turn this up. Chelsea Cutlet. God, it's about to drop. It's about to drop. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh, a little love in the air. Yay! 2023, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you like the video. Try those Cardi B whips if you want to. They were really good. Thanks for making my drink with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year. Peace.